Hello, it's Frank, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I want to show you how to use Zoom on your iPhone. So first, of course, you're going to need to you have Zoom on your iPhone. You can, of course, pull down on your screen and do a search if you're not sure if you have it or not, and just type Zoom like I did there. If you're unfamiliar with that technique, if you've not used the pull down feature, if you just place your finger, I use my thumb, but a finger in the middle of your screen and just pull down. No, you don't want that. Pull down, just like in a swipe, you'll get a search box. And in this case, I typed Zoom, and let me type it again. I type Zoom, and it shows that I have the app. If you don't have the Zoom icon like we have right here, you will see some options. Now, what we can do is if you go to your App Store, there's the App Store icon right here in the upper right hand corner. If I click that, it will allow me to then, of course, search for Zoom. And the search feature is right down here at the bottom if you're unfamiliar. And we'll type in Zoom there and search. And we're looking for the Zoom app. You can see Zoom Cloud Meetings. So you can just click that. And in my case, it says open. In your case, it would say download. You go ahead and download that. And then to join a meeting, you would just open up Zoom. If you don't have an account, that's fine. You can join as a guest without putting that in. I highly recommend logging in and creating an account. Let me log out here to see if it will. Let's see. I'm sure there's a sign out here. So you can actually, down here at the bottom, you can click sign up. You can see it right here. Click sign up, and then you just go through these steps here, like it asks for your birth date and then a few other things. Let me go ahead and fake one here. I'll go ahead and put, I'll just put a scroll through here and put some numbers. What's a good scroll here? 70. I'm in the 60s, but let's just go and put 70. Hit confirm, and it's going to enter last name, first name, last name, whatever, and then click sign up. So you can see that how that happens. Once you signed up, then you would just log in, sign in. So in my case, I can sign in. I have it set with my Face ID, and it just signs me in. To join a meeting, you can do this either logged in or not logged in. You click join. Oops, sorry, I had to click it on my phone, not on the screen there. And then you just put in the meeting ID. Generally, you would receive a meeting ID either through an instant message or something like that, or I'm going to pull in my email. This is a fake email address I use for training, and it gives you a meeting ID, as you can see here, and I would plug that number in. This is just a meeting that I set up in my own account to do a demonstration here, and then I'll just put this in and click join, and it allows me to join the meeting, and it asks for a passcode. I'm just going to say yes, I would like it to access my camera and my microphone, and then it shows my face up there. Join to hear others. Call using internet audio, and then it's going to, yeah, I've got a reverberation going on here, so let me shut that off. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn my speakers down. There we go. So what we would do then, of course, to do any of the other settings, as you can see here, I'm sitting on my computer, so I don't have my glasses on, which is, might throw you off a little bit. But you can see once we have at the bottom here, we can either mute our call if you're, if you don't want to be heard, you're afraid of background noise. You can stop the video if you don't want your video shown, and it'll just put a placeholder image, or just if you don't have an image stored, it will show just a person icon. You can see the other participants if you wanted to chat, or if chatting is available, and of course there's some other options like chat. You can do some other things as well depending on what the other provider has. But if you're just wanting to watch and attend, you're on the screen here. You may have a screen share going on here or whatever, but this would allow you to see anything that you would need to see. And then, of course, once you're ready to leave, you can leave at any time. You could just click on your screen and then click the leave button at the upper right hand corner, and ask if you're sure you want to leave the meeting. You do that and you're done. If the meeting's still going on, you decide you wanted to go back in, you can do that as well. And of course, you have the option to create a new meeting yourself or schedule a meeting. There is no charge for meetings if you're doing like one-on-one meetings or multiple meetings. There is no charge up to I think 45 minutes. So anybody can use Zoom without having to pay for an account. Anything over 45 minutes, then you would have to log in and create an account. I think if you're just doing one-on-one meetings, you can meet indefinitely without paying. Any more than 2 people is 45-minute limit, and that's where that goes. So I hope you found this useful, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you.